Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. For today's project, I'll be making gift card holders for my son's teachers and bus driver. I use honeybee stamps, coffee card, gift holder dies. I'd gone ahead and die cut the pieces that I will be using for my gift card holders. I use Kraft cardstock for the base and use 6x6 DCWB Harvest stock pattern paper for the top of the cups and sleeves. I will tape down my gift card bases on my work surface using washi tape, and I'm taping them down on the score line up on the top of the cup. You don't have to do this because later on I will adhere a die cut piece on that part of the cup. I will stamp some of these leaves images from Impression Obsession Falling Leaves stamp set. I use Versamark ink to stamp the leaves, and I'm just randomly stamping them on the base. And then I'm going to emboss them with Ranger Gold embossing powder. You will see later that one of the base is embossed with clear embossing powder. That look is okay to me, but I like the gold embossing much better. After I add the gold embossing powder on the images, I will heat set it until melted and shiny. And now I'm going to fold the score lines. The die has score lines, so it's easier to fold them, and you don't need a scoring board for it. I'm also using my bone folder to crease the sides. And these are the pieces that will go on top of the cup. I will adhere them using dry adhesive. I'm also using the coffee cup from Knit and Tangled Perfect Blend stamp set. I will stamp 4 of the coffee cup with Versafine Onyx black ink on a scraps of watercolor paper and emboss them with clear embossing powder, and then melt the powder with my heat tool. I will stamp the coffee cup again, but this time I just want the sleeves of the cup. I use scraps of my 6x6 doodlebug pattern paper called Happy Harvest, and as you can see, I still have a lot of smaller scraps from this paper pad that I need to use, and I can't throw the scraps because I love the patterns from this paper pad. I will color the embossed coffee cups with fog gray zig marker and blend the color with the blender. I have the coordinating dies for this stamp set, so I don't have to fussy cut it. I tape my die on the image with washi tape and run it through my Sidekick machine. The only thing that I need to fussy cut is the sleeves for the coffee cups, and fussy cutting this took no time. And then I'm going to adhere the sleeves on the cups using Glossy Accents. For the sentiment, I use Lawn Fun So Thankful stamp set. I ink up my sentiment with Versafine ink and Versamark ink and emboss it with white embossing powder. You can also do this before adhering the top piece of the cup, but I didn't think about it until to this part of the video. Before I stamp the sentiment, I prep my surface where I'm going to stamp with anti-static powder tool so I don't get the stray powder and I don't have to clean it with dry brush. And then I use my heat tool to melt those powders. I use this die from My Favorite Things called Gift Card Groups. I use the long one from the die set. I'm going to add Starbucks gift cards in my gift card holders later, and I want something to hold the gift card inside. I have this Amazon gift card here, and I'm just showing you that gift card will fit inside the coffee cup holder. And I will also add a temporary glue dot on the back of the gift card so it will stay inside, because my kids are the one giving this to their teachers and I don't want them to lose the gift cards. And now I'm going to fold and crease the sides of these sleeves with my bone folder and attach the sides with liquid glue. I'm also die cutting a small tag that will go on the back of our gift card holders. I'm using Tim Holtz tag die set, and I'm going to die cut 4 of these tags. After I'm done die cutting them, I'm going to color the tags with my Daniel Smith watercolors, and I chose the color that will match with the coffee cups, and then I will dry them with my heat tool to make the drying process quickly. I use To and From sentiment from Your Next stamp called Winter Home, and then I'm just going to stamp those on the tags using Versafine Onyx black ink. After we stamp the sentiment, then I'm going to adhere those tags on the back of the sleeves. And we'll just add the sleeves on the coffee cup. And as you can see, it's just slide right in. To make the flap of the coffee cups stay closed, I use this removable glue dots, and this one will hold but won't rip your paper. And my gift cards coffee cup holders are finished. As I've said earlier, I will buy Starbucks gift cards to go with these card holders later and give this to my son's teachers and bus drivers. We are giving this to them not until before Thanksgiving, and it's good I already made this earlier so I can work on other projects. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.